Together with his sister Bertha and an investor named Francis Gibbons, William W. Rosenfield raised $10,000 to establish the Rosenfield Manufacturing Company in September 1896. Mr. Rosenfield is probably best known by phonograph collectors today for his coin-operated phonograph introduced in October 1905 in the talking machine world. It was advertised as our 1906 model. This coin-operated machine utilizes a spring motor Columbia AZ graphophone mechanism coupled with a direct current electric motor to wind and return the carriage at the end of play. At the beginning of the 20th century, coin-operated phonographs and arcades remained highly popular. In cities large and small, you could find a penny arcade to hear the latest music on coin-operated machines such as the 1906 model, or better known today as the Rosenfield AZ. The mechanical foundation of this coin-operated phonograph is the Columbia AZ graphophone. Introduced in 1904, the Columbia AZ was the first graphophone to have a fixed reproducer carriage. This improvement made the AZ graphophone an ideal candidate for the Rosenfield mechanism. The cabinet is made from oak, highly ornate, and is very similar to the cabinets used on Edison coin-operated phonographs of the period. It is distinguished by a carved wreath on the door, standing on iron claw and glass ball legs, with a large signboard announcing the tune, artist, and cost of the entertainment. Driven by a 110-volt DC motor, the Rosenfield mechanism is the heart of this coin-operated phonograph. Simultaneously, the Rosenfield mechanism returns the carriage to the beginning of the cylinder, raises and lowers the carriage, and winds the spring-driven AZ graphophone. Behind the bottom lock safe is a tin coin box, easily accessible with a handle. Listening tubes are provided so that a single patron could enjoy the offered selection. The music starts with the drop of a penny in the coin slot.
All out this way. 152 right up in front.
Still money cold.
Lie better up the Merry Widow. Ticket pay for tomorrow night, for the Merry Widow tomorrow night.
Oh, Jimmy, I certainly love that waltz. I don't think so much of them widows. They go right in the stage at night, but oh, what a difference in the morning.
Well, if ever I catch one of them gay little widows all in black, there's going to be a difference in the morning.
Huh. Little puffs of powder, little dabs of paint. Makes the merry widow look like what she ain't.
Well, a pretty little widow at 20 for mine.
Then you don't mind being the 21st.
Oh, I'm just a foolin'. I'm jealous of the guy in the show, next on the Merry Widow.
Say, he's the merry kiddo.
Yes, but if you knowed how much I was stuck on you, you wouldn't consider him for a minute.
I would for a minute, but Jimmy, I wouldn't for a second. La, 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 la.
Say, is I the first and the last? Tell me, kid.
You is the first, and Jimmy, you may be the last, but oh, la, 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 la,
Well?
la. There's gonna be a whole lot between the first and the last.
Yes?
Oh, Jimmy, did you see the long dress the widow had on?
Well, it was short at the top.
Oh, well, that's what you call decolleté.
Decolleté. Well, take my word for it. Them rags is hot stuff.
All right, you take the widow. But it's another party I'm crazy about.
Yes, show 'em to me.
Oh, roll down your sleeves. This ain't no prize fight. Come round to the stage door with me.
The stage door? For what? Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the man that rode the merry widow waltz. And if I fail to find him,